Well, guys, I've got great news. I just got back from my doctor's appointment following up on my lab results, and it all looks good. My kidneys look great, my liver looks great, which I'm really grateful for considering I did have Hep C. My body reacted really well to the treatment though, and so my liver looks really good. My thyroid looks good. My proteins, my blood sugar's good. The only thing was an elevated red blood cell level, but that could be because I smoke weed. And surprisingly, my white blood cell count wasn't as high as I'd expected it to be, considering I have an infection in the mouth. Which leads me to my next piece of good news. I have an appointment with the dentist set up on the 11th of October, but she has me flagged in case anyone cancels so that I can be seen earlier due to the severity of my infection. So I've got that taken care of. I also have an appointment set up to go get my ID because my birth certificate came in a couple days ago. And now I'm up to both my birth certificate and my social security card. So I'm set. You guys, everything's coming together and it's freaking wonderful. And I just feel so proud of myself. But my piece of advice to you guys is please do not procrastinate when it comes to any part of your health, your mental health, physical health, dental health, anything. Just do not procrastinate, because then you become like me where you have to sit down at regular intervals because walking is too hard for you. I can't do chores because if I overexert myself, my heart starts racing and I can't breathe, which is why I'm sitting down here, because again, I've overexerted and I have to sit down and take a break. I'm literally right across the street from my mom's place, and I can't push myself because I can't breathe. If I keep pushing myself, at least. So, I'm getting that taken care of. Feel really good about it. I might have to start seeing a dermatologist because I have issues with my scalp. And it's not dandruff. I have had dandruff before, and this is not dandruff. What I'm feeling is these really itchy, scaly patches that scab up, and they're really painful, and they come and go, but my hair is falling out too. I could do this and literally get a hair or two that comes out every time I do that to my hair. More hair. So I mentioned it with my doctor, and I'm trying to figure out if maybe it's dermatitis on the scalp or eczema of the scalp or something, but it's to the point where it really hurts. It's back here on my neck, kind of where when you bend your neck, that little fold right there. And then it's up here, up here on the sides here. And then you guys, if you'll notice, on occasion, there will be dry patches that I just cannot get rid of. And it spreads right here, too. So I'm hoping that, it's just because I have my teeth infections going on. Once I get the teeth taken care of, everything else will go away, because my labs were really healthy. I was so happy to hear that my labs are so good. But I'm struggling with this skin issue, you know what I mean? So I may have to go to a dermatologist, which I'm fine with. I just don't want to be itching and scratching my head anymore because that shit hurts, and I'm losing hair too. That's upsetting because this right here is thinning, really, really thinning out. And I'm like, okay, at least my hair's long. And the doctor also said it could be female pattern baldness, which I got kind of emotional about because I don't want to lose my hair. You know what I mean? So the dermatologist is the next plan after I try and get some tar shampoos. The doctor did recommend tar shampoo, which is kind of like Head and Shoulders, but much more medicated, much stronger. So he did suggest that. I am going to give that a try. If that doesn't work and my hair continues to do this, I will set up an appointment with a derm and see what's going on with that. But I feel great. Besides my sciatica and my nerves hurting on occasion, I feel freaking wonderful. I'm also considering getting back into the physical therapy that I was doing when I was in the ranch, because that shit helped, you know. And once I start working, I'm probably going to invest more in massages, like maybe acupuncture, because my muscles just hurt. Like, I'm having an issue with my shoulder here, which is why I have the kinesiology tape on. I've just been having issues with muscles, so that's probably the only other thing that I would get taken care of besides the derm. But that's great news for me, guys. I'm like so excited. I'm like in a really good mood, because I was worried about my levels being, you know, high or low, needing treatment for something, because I didn't want to take more medication for another fucking issue. You guys, I already take 3-4 different meds for issues. Like, I take propanolol for the anxiety and the voices that I hear. I take gabapentin mainly for my anxiety. I have Suboxone for my maintenance therapy. Ibuprofen if I'm in pain because I can't take anything else. Seroquel for sleep because I am an insomniac and I struggle with sleep. And my amoxicillin to help with the infection. So I do not want to have to take any more meds, you guys. I already feel like I'm crazy enough because of all these. And